Hey guys, today I wanted to talk to you about you applied for a mortgage and you got denied. So now what? All hope is not lost, okay guys? So if you got denied for your mortgage, there's maybe a couple different reasons, and there might be hope that you can get approved with someone else. So let me just explain, like if you went to a Chase Bank or a Bank of America or something like that, one of the big banks, and they're gonna service your loan, meaning you're gonna make your monthly mortgage payment to that bank. You're gonna have to reach some of their criteria. They may have like a 640 credit score, they may have a higher debt to income ratio or lower debt to income ratio requirement, all these different requirements that they have in order for them to approve you. And if you just go to them and you get denied, then that means you didn't meet their qualifications. But guess what? There's many different mortgage people out there that have all different qualifications. So if you go to more of a mortgage broker, which is someone who can take your application, look at all your financials, they basically have 20 different other lenders that they are gonna sell your loan to. So you're gonna do your loan with them and they're gonna sell it to another company. Each one of those 20 lenders, they all have different criteria. So you might go to one bank and they need a 640 credit score. Well, a mortgage broker may work with people that can do a 580 credit score. You may have to put a little bit more money down. I had a really good friend of mine who had a certain kind of visa, and we talked to 2 lenders and they couldn't do her loan with that kind of visa. We went to a mortgage broker. She had 2 different people that she could sell the loan to that didn't care that she had that kind of visa, as long as she had a couple other supporting scenarios. So what I'm telling you is if you've been denied for a loan, then hope is not lost. I would suggest that you talk to a realtor who can put you in touch with a mortgage broker who maybe has a ton of other options for you. Then you can move forward with buying a house. If your problem with your mortgage is your credit score, I work with one of the top credit repair people in the state, and I would love to help you get set up with her. She might be able to help you get a few things off your credit report, and we can get you approved within 30, 60, 90 days. So if you're serious about buying a house, don't let that first denial be the end of your hopes and dreams to being a homeowner. Let's talk about it. Let's get you in touch with some other people and see if we can get you that pre-approval letter. I'm Jen Burns, realtor in Greater Baton Rouge Market. If you're looking for a realtor, I'd love to help you.